Alright. Hey everybody. We had the first item. We have an item. Come on. Give me good. Get this pet. Come on. Alright. Give me this. Give me this. Come on. Give me. Oh. Give me the title is the red. Give me the red one. Give me the red title. Because anytime he's going to get the red title in his pirate. Yes! We finally got the legendary. Come on. Okay, give me another one. I need to hatch another one. Yes! We finally got the legendary. Okay, give me another red title. Come on, give me red title. Come on. Give me the red title. Come on, hurry up. Give me a red title. Come on, listen to me. Give me a red title. Are you sure? Come on, give me a red title, or else. Hurry up. Stop. Give me a red thing. We finally got. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Give me the next legendary. Yes! 2 legendaries! We're gonna get number 1. Let's get another legendary. Yes! Give me the next legendary. Come on, not crab! Not epic. The red title. Come on, you gonna give me a red title? Come on, give me legendary. Come on, you better pay attention. Listen up. Give me the red. Give me the red. Come on, give me the red. Give me a red thing. Yes, we have a X marks the spot. We have another crossbow. We finally got the legendary again. Oh. We finally don't get the legendary. We finally got the purple title. That's nothing useless. There's nothing useless. Nothing useless. Good job. Come on, give me legendary. We finally got the crane. Okay, that's enough. I need another pet. I had to hatch the godly. Come on, let's get dino egg. Give me legendary. Yes! We finally get it. 200 legendaries. Let's hatch 200 legendaries. Come on, give me legendary. I'm gonna show you the legendary. I'm going to show you the legendary. Let's get 200 legendaries. out for the question mark. Do not get question mark. It presses my article for question mark. And the article title is the rainbow. Rainbows are extremely scary. Get me. Wait a minute. Oh. That got me to pretend to the... Mommy! Brian's trying to choke! Yeah, we finally got the legendary. Let's collect more. Let's collect more hats. Oh. Yes. Give me. Let's get some more. We can get another legendary. We need a legendary I need to use. If you want to, but if you like to unwrap the box, hit the like button, and you can get something special, and you can hit subscribe button. Hope you enjoy. Hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoy this channel. There's only 4 pets. Let's get animals. Okay, we're gonna get this legendary. Hatching a chicken is too easy. It's not easy for the other things. Hatching other things are not easy. Got the legendary. Oh, we have 27. I'm gonna collect all the pets. Super fast. Only baby down. Let's do heaven. Now we're gonna do the heaven and hell. This game is gonna be broken. Get the legendary. Get the like button. Oh no! I don't want to see hell. I don't want to see a hell thing. Oh no! There's only Let's get something else. Let's get something else. Surprise. Oh, there's no pet. Okay, there's only things to do. I'm gonna try this bit. You can get a letter task. I gotta finish a letter task. You can do this. And Crystal came here and the guy just popped out the game! occurring. Oh. We have a godly thing. Yummy. Oh, we're gonna get it. It's a great. I love wearing all the godly. Let's use it. Shark bite. Shark bite. Come on. We're gonna get the rest. Now. Oh, now we have an epic. We have an epic now. Yes, we're gonna get epics. Now we're gonna get rares and epics. Now we have a different rares and epics. If I could have gotten it quickly. Oh, we have another legendary. Don't. Yes. Oh, we have another legendary. Another legendary. Oh no, it's no legendaries. Okay, we can use epic. Oh. Sweetie. We get a lot of rings. Order test and we can do this. Yes. Come on, give me a legendary. Oh yes. Give me the legendary. I get the mythical. I'm going to get 15 minutes. 15 minutes on the live. If I get the godly, the video quits. And come back in July. Sharks are only. The body. We have a legendary. Wait, there's only legendaries coming out today. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this channel and comments. Tell you to subscribe to my channel. You can get make it to 40 to the video. So you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. So thanks for watching. I hope you think